Hi! In front of me is iPad 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings and click on Bluetooth. Then tap on the switcher next to Bluetooth feature and wait for available devices to show up. Click on the one that you wish to connect to, wait a bit, and choose Pair in the pop-up. Then wait for this device to accept your connection request, and as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this little icon next to the device and choose Disconnect. Then forget this device. Choose Forget Device over here, and now they are disconnected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!